To get the latest version of the Visual Studio, we will visit the official website and download the Visual Studio Community Edition. This version is sufficient for our needs, and we do not require the Professional or Enterprise Edition unless we work for a company. Once we click on the download link, a setup file for Visual Studio will begin to download. After the download is complete, we will open the file and install the Visual Studio installer. Within the installer, we will select the necessary workloads, specifically the .NET Desktop Development workload. Without needing to select all options I selected unless we require advanced features and further videos. Once the installation is complete, the Visual Studio setup will launch and prompt us to sign in, which we can choose to skip for now. We will then select the General from the first drop-down menu and choose our preferred theme before clicking on Start Visual Studio. To begin using the software,